I'm taking you to the Mountain of the Dead. Anubis.
كله بلح بس طبعا البلح ده اعلى من الزيتون ممكن يكون الزيتون في وسط البلح مش باين.
Good morning from the Siwa oasis. We are heading to the Mountain of the Dead. I'm not going to say much more beyond that, but we'll find out when we get there. Yalla bina. Okay, and we're here. This is the Mountain of the Dead, or Jabal al-Mawta in Arabic. Jabal al-Mawta is a necropolis built into this mountain and features dozens of rock-cut tombs which litter the mountainside. Most of the tombs date back to the 26th dynasty, Ptolemaic period, and continued until the late Roman era. Due to the time period these tombs were built, we will see the clear fusion of Egyptian and Greek artistic styles as we explore this ancient site together. There's some paintings in these tombs. I read about I guess it was supposedly some wealthy Greek man. I think his is the best preserved, or like with the best kept paintings. Going in here. Definitely not, but still very interesting to see. You'd have to like crouch. Ah, here's one of them. They're labeled. That's great. صباح الخير. بكم؟ 120 تمام. I got 2 student tickets. Student is always half price for a full ticket. So the total came to 120 Egyptian pounds for an adult non-student, 60 for a student. So this is the tomb of Si Amun. It is locked. He needs to open it. Alright, he opened the door. We are able to go in. So this tomb was thought to be from a wealthy, like, Greek merchant or a landowner, and he was making offerings to the Egyptian gods here in this well. It's his tomb, so obviously buried here. Ceiling. I don't think anything is back here, but let's turn the flashlight on just to see. Yeah. Just where his body would have lain. Maybe I should flip the flashlight so you guys can see better. Stars. Taking them to the afterlife like the Nile River. Whoa, Anubis. Absolutely stunning. Wow. This paint on there is really well preserved. Fascinating. مية الاثنين. يا جميلة الأول. شكرا. Well, this has a lot more like little pockets. So this tomb was supposedly unfinished. And it does appear to be so. Here we can see some cobras. Like stand up in here. Very cool. Okay. So that is the tomb of Mesu Isis. Partly finished. but not complete.
كله بلح؟
كله بلح بس طبعا البلح بيبقى اعلى من الزيتون. ممكن يكون الزيتون في وسط البلح مش باين.
اوكي.
البلح بيدرع لتحت منه.
This one's big. شكرا شكرا. Wow. Look at this. That is very simple, just red. Animals. Body would have been in there. Maybe there was a casket even. Or a sarcophagus. Coffin of some type. Why is it black? Okay. And I think there's just one more. واحد أكتر صح؟ واحد أكتر مع البلد. So many. Crazy. شكرا. Not much is left here at all. This would be a nice little home for an animal. Ah, the crocodile. Waiting for me. Let me get out of here so he can go have tea or whatever. شكرا. خلاص صح؟ تمام شكرا جدا. Donkeys are so loud. مع السلامة. شكرا. I think I'm gonna go up there. just to see the view. But yeah, this place is just littered with little tombs. And bigger tombs all over. Very fascinating. And I've reached the top. What a view. You can see all of these tombs, the day palms and olive trees, the Chalet Fortress, and in between that small one where I'm staying. Gorgeous. Wow. Absolutely love it. Okay guys, I'm gonna climb down from here. But I'm gonna get some breakfast, so if you wanna come along for that, keep watching. If not, thanks for watching. That is as fresh as it can get. Salam alaikum. I found the store that I was at 3 years ago.
جميل جدا.
Caramel, جميل.
It's جميل جدا. Fantastic.
Should I do like just grab like yeah? Yeah? I think I like it. Look at that. I've got my bread, I've got my cheese, I've got my olives. I'm ready to eat breakfast. Yalla bina, baby.